We start with putting our strips together. One black, one green. We're going to put them right sides together. And we're going to sew along the long edge of the strips. And we're going to do that with both sets. Okay, so we're just going to take our black and green strips, just like this, line up the edge so that the raw edges are perfectly lined up. I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance on this. And we're just going to stitch the entire length. Okay, so we have pressed our strips open, and I've shortened my strips just so you can see them on the table, but this would be the whole length of the fabric. And what I've done is I've pressed my seams to the black, right? So the seams are headed towards the black, and I've done that on both, okay? Seams heading towards the black. And what that does is that creates a nice little, it's not very visible, but you can feel it. It's just a small ridge there where the seam is pressed. And that's going to help us nest our seams for the next step.